Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 148 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Sally Girl mini eye pencil in the shade Funny, which is like a neon yellow green color, which I got at Sally Beauty Supply in their clearance section for only 69 cents. I was like, well, I definitely have nothing like that in my collection, so I decided to take a risk and try out this kind of wild color for an eyeliner. This trying a new makeup product every day series has definitely gotten me to try out some crazy products that I never would have tried out otherwise, like a pink mascara, some like bright colored lips, and a lot of the times I end up liking them. Sometimes they're fails, but this is another product that I probably never would have tried, never would have worn if it wasn't for this YouTube series, and I just think that's so fun. I love trying out new products and being surprised by the result. So this is really cute. It's so small. Fits in the palm of my hand. Let's see how it writes. Whoa! That actually shows up so bright and pigmented. I'm very impressed by the color payoff of this little pencil right now. So there are lots of options for what I could do with this bright yellow-green eye pencil. Like if I was doing like a fun kind of colorful makeup look, I could do designs with this. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and get creative. Wow, this really is gliding on so easily. And pigmented, where like I don't even have to go over it again to build it up any brighter. But like if I want to, I can. And I can build the color up even more. Alright. I don't love this on the lower lash line though. I just did like a crazy bunch of like stripes and swirls, but I really just wanted to like see how this writes. And you know what? It writes pretty nicely. I don't think I would wear this very often, but when I wanted to do a fun, colorful look, I think that this would be a great incorporation into a colorful look. I really don't have any yellow makeup, and I think yellow makeup probably doesn't usually have much pigment payoff, and this one really does. So if I ever need to incorporate something yellow, I think this is a great option. Let me know in the comments down below when I should use this and how I should use this. It's just really fun to play around with it, and I think I'm going to hold on to this because you never know, and it's pretty good. I would love to try this out in a bunch of different colors because it really is so inexpensive and really great pigment and really easy to apply. Clearly my doodling skills on my eyelid are not the best, but now I can practice. Look, I'm turning this eyeball into a sunshine. I don't think my eyeball has ever been turned into a sunshine before. I'm having a lot of fun with it. Would you look at that? If you want to turn your eyeball into a sunshine, I definitely recommend this Sally Girl eye pencil in the shade Funny. I also love that that's the name of it because they're like, oh, this is a funny color. This will look funny as makeup, and it does, but it's so fun. So I did decide to upload every day for the rest of 2018. I'm making that commitment and that promise, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.